everybody, hope you're great and welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you don't know me, what's up? I'm OsvalDior and shout out to all my haters. So today we're gonna do a tutorial about like gray makeup tutorial, we can say. It's a grayish, like this is what it look like. I don't know if you like it. Me, it's totally different, but I like it. For this autumn, for this fall, it's totally a beautiful makeup tutorial for this October, because summer is out. Now it's October, it's fall, it's autumn, whatever. And this is what is my inspiration about this month. I don't know if you like it or if you dislike it, but I don't care because it's already done. It's already on my face. If you like it, thank you so much. If you don't like it, well, I don't know why you keeping watching this video. You can swipe up and watching other people. What's good? So this is beautiful makeup tutorial, and I use, this is all luxury. My eyes is luxury, my lips is kind of beautiful, and this one is the Ura Beauty. It's kind of grayish, we can say. It's very matching all my eyes with my lips. So this is what it looks like. And on my eyes, I use the Pat McGrath Labs. I think this one is the Mothership 2. This is totally beautiful palette, pigmented like always, and I use it like pigment from Pat McGrath Labs. So this one, the Ultra Sweat Brown, this is what it looks like, a totally beautiful brown. And this one, and another pigment from Pat McGrath Labs, and this one is Mercury. Oh, so on my eyes I have only luxury. And the lashes, of course, is Farah from Ura Beauty. So I have Ura Beauty on my eyes, Ura Beauty on my lips, and Pat McGrath Labs all over my eyes. So this is what it looks like. I don't know why you like it or you don't like it, or are you like it, or do you like it? This makeup was easy, not complicated. It's like gray makeup tutorial with glamorous, a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of shimmer. This look give you more, a little bit of pop. You can use it for everywhere, every day, and the night, or only in the soiree. It depends of you, what do you feel like, because makeup you can wear it like every time you go out. It's not necessary to go like on the night or on the club or for a dinner and everything like that. Makeup is universal. You can do whatever you want. It depends of you, what you like to be in this moment and this day. So we gotta start it about this beautiful makeup, like grayish, we can say gray makeup tutorial of fall autumn. So let's go with that. You're beautiful, you're handsome, you're awesome. Okay guys, so we gotta start it about this beautiful like grayish makeup tutorial. Totally like grayish, glamorous, sparkles, shimmer, I don't know, like, but totally beautiful. What do you think about that? So right now I just put it the concealer and I do it my eyebrow. Now you can see. So we're gonna use it the palette from Pat McGrath Labs. I don't remember if it's the Mothership 2 or the Mothership 1. So is this one right here, a totally beautiful palette, pigmented, and the box is totally luxury. So we're gonna use it this one for the makeup tutorial with all is Pat McGrath Labs. So what I have on my eyes is Pat McGrath Labs. Woo! So first started, you see I put it like a shaper for just have a beautiful shape on my eyes, and with the GH40 for Jaclyn Hill X Morphe or Morphe X Jaclyn Hill brushes. I'm always gonna use it because it's worth it. It's one of my favorite brushes for this year. So we're gonna try this. We're not gonna try this. We're gonna still use it this until they're gonna have another combo worth it. So this one is the GH40. So we gotta start it about this one. So we gotta put it, this color is like what can I say, like a brown grayish. So we gotta put it this one here. You just tap it with Pat McGrath Labs. You gotta know the pigmented. So I do it like here. I tap it right there, exactly. Just right here. I'm just gonna put it the palette because the palette's so heavy. So you can do it like here, and then you can do it going up do it your home shape. Yeah, like this. So you can see it's come through. You have to put it the same shape at your eyes because this is the great makeup. Like, what can I say? You cannot create something it's not compatible with your home eyes. Make sense to your life. Okay, so you see I just put out the corner here and I going up like this. You can put it a little bit more of product and then put it here a little bit on the corner, and let's see, let's go a little bit up. Yeah, you see it's kind of grayish, purplish, we can say, on my eyes. And then with another brush, what is it, let me see. Yeah, with this one, so with the GH33 we gotta do the transition shade, and the transition shade I'm gonna use it, this one here, just this one here. It's a matte one as well, and then we're gonna blend here and on the up. Yeah, you can see is the transition shade. And then on the crease a little bit, we gotta put it the black one right here. Here we go. Just tap it. Yeah, exactly. Just like that. You don't need that much. Yeah, exactly. Just like that. And then you can blend with the other one just a little bit, not that much. So you see the shape of the eyes is coming. It's totally beautiful. With Pat McGrath Lab, all is blendable, all is worth it. You know, you pay with the quality and you feel the quality as well. Perfect. You see, it's very easy. Now you have the shape of your eyes. So now we gotta do it. We gotta cut the crease a little bit. So now I gotta put it my concealer, and with a flat brush. My favorite is the YOU.BETTER. It's a fat brush, and then we're gonna put it like here. We're gonna cut this crease. We're gonna cut this crease. For that, I'm gonna look on the mirror more specific, but you can have it. So we gotta cut the crease. Yeah, just like that. Perfect. Now you cut the crease. Now you have to put it, what I put it here is, at the end we gotta go with the black one, just give it a little bit of life. So we just gotta tap it, just blend it a little bit, like you can see. Just blend it a little bit with the black one. Yeah, totally like this. You can see you can have a beautiful blend between the cut crease and the eyeshadow black. You can see on the middle I'm gonna put it this beautiful Pat McGrath Labs Ultra Sweat Brown Pigment. So we're gonna put it like here, just like here, exactly. You can see it's a beautiful brownish. I really love this color. Yes, it's coming. You can see like, ooh, totally beautiful. And then inside on the corner, I'm gonna use it this shade, and this one is the Pat McGrath Labs Mercury Pigment. So this one, they have a beautiful shine. I really love it. And you don't need that much because it's so pigmented, like you can see. Ooh. And then you can put it all over your eyes, cut like this, exactly. You can tap it. What do you think about that? And yes, of course, the lashes is missing, the lipstick, the highlight, and everything like that. But eyes is pretty good, pretty. Aha. So let's do it like that. Let's continue. Let's fix it a little bit. So this is what it looks like. It's very easy, what can I say? It's so pretty as well, you see. And then we gotta take it off this, and we gotta continue for the bottom. And this is what's gonna look like if you gotta take it out this. You see a beautiful shape, cut like I like it, because me with my eyes is different. Like I can do the makeup, because me I can have a hood high, we can say, and this will give me more a lift, and it's so pretty. What do you think about that? Ooh, let me just put it. You're beautiful, you're handsome, you're awesome. Okay guys, so you see it, it's very easy. 1 2 3 like ABC, like do re mi. Very easy to create this beautiful tutorial. Very like easy. You don't need to complicate yourself. You can do it like at least 10 minutes, and you're gonna have this beautiful look, and with this beautiful lips, and everything is magic on my face. And what do you think about that? And this lashes is everything. Thank you, Ura Beauty. You make my eyes pop. Yeah. Ooh, I like it. What do you think about that? So this is the end of the video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave message down below. And don't forget, you're beautiful, you're handsome, you're awesome. And turn on the notification. Then and the bell, I think so. Turn on the notification, because they have a bell there. So put it there, because you gotta be the first one to watch my videos every Thursday. And keep in mind, of course, excuse me with pardon, we are the stars of our lives. And see you every Thursday for a new video. Bye guys.